Baking soda and castor oil can treat more than 20 health problems. Recently, the natural medicine is again becoming extremely popular, and the capacity of natural remedies to treat various health conditions cannot be denied. Multiple studies have confirmed that these recipes are even more effective than conventional medical treatments. One recipe of this kind is the mixture of baking soda and castor oil. Its ingredients are extremely beneficial and provide potent medicinal properties in the case of various health conditions. When these ingredients are combined, you get an extremely potent natural remedy that can provide positive effects in the case of more than 20 health problems. Onion juice and castor oil for hair growth. Onion is loaded with a variety of nutrients and fatty acids that are essential for hair growth. It also has a very high sulfur content that helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, regenerate hair follicles, and reduce scalp inflammation. What you need: 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 tablespoons onion juice. What you need to do: add 2 tablespoons of onion juice in a bowl containing another 2 tablespoons of castor oil and blend them. Massage your scalp and hair gently with this mix. Leave it on for about 2 hours. Rinse the oil off gently by using a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. You have probably heard a lot about the properties of baking soda and its wide range of uses. Castor oil treats various diseases, and when used as a coating, it is one of the most effective natural remedies which stimulate circulation. Due to this quality, it is often used as a compress. To prepare such a compress with castor oil, you will need cold-pressed castor oil, a bottle of hot water, plastic wrap, clean gauze, or a cotton towel, and a towel. Clean the skin with some baking soda, and then soak the gauze in castor oil. Apply the gauze on the area that needs to be treated, and wrap in some plastic foil. Use the hot water bottle to warm up the place, and secure it with a towel. Leave it thus for over an hour. Afterward, you should again clean the skin with some baking soda. These are some of the most important uses of castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil coatings applied on the neck efficiently treat chronic hoarseness and vocal cord nodules. The oral use of 6 to 8 drops of castor oil for 4 months completely cures tinnitus. Drip a couple drops of castor oil in your ear to enhance your hearing. Castor oil removes pilonidal cysts. Massage with castor oil can reduce and prevent the appearance of stretch marks. Castor oil effectively treats cataracts. All you need to do is to drip a drop of castor oil in the eyes before going to sleep at night. Consume 5 drops of castor oil daily to prevent allergies. Castor oil coating can significantly ease the pain in the back. The regular massage with castor oil removes calcium deposits on the soles. You should rub some castor oil on the eyelids before bedtime to treat ocular allergies. Apply castor oil directly to treat mouth sores. Massage the scalp with castor oil on a daily basis to stimulate the growth of your hair. Rub castor oil on warts for 30 days to remove them completely. Apply castor oil coating on the stomach to reduce hyperactivity. It relieves topical skin injuries like cuts, burns, bruises. Apply castor oil topically on bug bites to relieve the swelling and itching. The coatings of castor oil treat diarrhea. Treat fungal infections like athlete's foot with the application of castor oil coatings on the feet. It effectively treats hepatitis. Castor oil coatings on the stomach can stop the snoring in 2 weeks. A mixture of baking soda and castor oil is extremely helpful in the case of cancer. The consumption of a few drops of castor oil on a daily basis can help you reduce the addiction to alcohol and nicotine. Castor oil and baking soda for removing moles. Ingredients: 2 to 3 drops castor oil, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, an adhesive bandage. Process: 1. Add the oil to the baking soda powder. Mix well to form a sticky paste. 2. Spread this paste evenly on the mole and cover with a bandage to keep the paste in place. 3. Remove the bandage the next morning and wash the area. 4. Repeat this every alternate evening until the mole is gone. How long does it take? Depending on the size, it might take a few weeks for the mole to shed. Precautions: Do not scrub with this mixture as it may leave a scar once the mole falls off. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.